we'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Calendar View. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. Choose the login method you want to use, such as signing in with your email address associated with your ClickUp account. Enter your email address in the required field and ensure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your ClickUp account and continue to your workspace. Once you have successfully signed in, open the list within the space that you want to use. After opening the list, click the View menu located near the top of the workspace. From the available view options, select Calendar to switch from the current view to the Calendar view. If needed, you can customize the Calendar view settings, or simply keep the default settings and continue. You can now view your available tasks displayed within a calendar layout. If you want to view tasks using a different time period, locate the Time Period drop-down menu and click it to display the available time period options. Choose the time period that best suits your needs, such as a day, for days, week, or month view. You can now view based on the selected time period and review your schedule more effectively. To create a new task, click on a date or time column within the calendar view where you want the task to be scheduled. Enter a name for the task, and make sure the task title clearly describes the work that needs to be completed. After entering the task name, click Save to create the task. You have now successfully added a new task in the calendar view and can continue managing your schedule directly from the calendar interface.